Hey y'all, I came home to Haskell for a few days and we are at Aubrey's house. Oh, and Ronnie's house. And we are gonna make you something that we're not real sure what we're gonna call it yet. So it's just gonna be like a pizza bake thing. So something easy for supper, something you can just throw together. So we just went and got all the stuff at the store and now we're gonna put it together for you.
Okay.
Here we go.
Spray your pan. Watch out. Oh, shoot.
So with that, we're gonna use Crescent Rolls.
Mommy, please get up and do it.
Yeah, where's your stool? All right, put that in there.
So you're just gonna need one crescent. Well, you got me
Crescent.
saying crescent roll. One
Then
package
pour
of
it
crescent.
back.
You're just gonna put it in your pan and mash it out.
And mash it out the trash. I'm gonna use pizza sauce.
This is what we're gonna use. Some regular spaghetti sauce, whatever kind you like. All right, half of the jar on there and then spread it out. You're doing a great job.
Now we have some pepperoni, ham, and what's that? Sausage, Italian sausage. Browned Italian sausage. Okay, now put it on there. One at a time.
You're gonna do them one at a time, sis? So we've spread all of our meat around and we're gonna make 2 layers of this. Now you can put whatever you want on your pizza if you wanna make it supreme or whatever, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use some black olives too. So we have some little sliced black olives, so you can put those on.
Cheese mixture. Gonna do mayonnaise.
Yep.
Then we're gonna what do you mean? I'm about to bust a cat. I'm about to set it off. We're about to use Italian cheese. Yeah, here. Chopped cheddar.
You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. Chopped cheddar.
A little Parmesan. Here you go. Okay, we're gonna put some basil leaves in there.
Oh, please do.
A little bit of basil. You can use Italian seasoning if you'd like. Just giving it a good mix.
Plop it.
Please.
You're just gonna get your cheese mixture just good and spread out all over your meat.
Okay, now we're gonna put the other crescent roll on top.
I spread my spaghetti sauce out.
Spreading your spaghetti sauce out. Okay. Good job.
And this on the tip on the top.
Put the rest of your meat on top.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We're going to put cheese on top.
We're putting a little bit of Parmesan, a little bit of, what else are you putting?
Italian,
And then we're gonna do,
cheddar.
so you can put whatever kind of cheese you want.
Have your oven preheated to 375. How long are we gonna cook this for?
Be sure and take your pans out of the oven that you keep stored in the oven first.
Just storage. We're gonna cook this for 35 to 40 minutes.
To do it for 45 minutes.
It looks good. Oh yeah, that looks good. Mmm. Look at that. That looks so good. With that cheesy mixture in the middle.
Pretty good.
Good.
You're gonna cook this for about 35 to 40 minutes. We cooked ours for 35. This is good.
Mama, I think I want to put. Mama, I want to put it on.
It's okay, just put it back up.
Like this?
Really good, isn't it?
Yes.
It's a good, easy supper recipe. I think you're gonna like it. So go make it.
Bye, y'all.